back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be about makeup kit for beginners. So in this video we're going to be talking about some makeup that fits in your budget, because even I was in college, I know kitna difficult hota hai college mein to handle everything in that small amount of pocket money that you get. So we're just going to talk about all the makeup products right from your face, your eyes, your lips, everything, and then I'm going to show you how to apply that makeup for an everyday college sort of a look. And so without wasting any more time, let's get straight to the video. The first thing is my favorite thing ever. This is the matte gel sunscreen from Lotus. This is SPF 50 and this is perfect if you have oily skin because it will have that matte effect on your face for the entire day. Also, one really good thing about this sunscreen is that it not only prevents you from tanning, but it also helps in improving your complexion. Shut up and take my money. And especially if you have oily skin, this is like your holy grail product. Just go for it. So since we're talking about an everyday college kind of a look, I'm guessing your parents will not really allow you to wear a lot of foundation on a regular basis. So your only option is to go for a tinted moisturizer or BB creams or CC creams. So this was recommended to me by my friend and I really like it. This is the Color Transform cream by Lakme and it fits your budget. It's really cheap and it actually brightens your skin instantly. I wouldn't say that it helps a lot with the coverage, but it actually helps in brightening your skin. So this one. So the next thing that I have here is this Sivana Bronze Professional palette. Now, so this palette has a contour shade, a highlighter and a blush, and all of this together in one palette is like very handy, and you can just throw it in your bag and use it whenever you want to in college as well. So also you can use this as an eyeshadow. This is what I'm wearing at the moment and I'll teach you how to do it. It is literally like the easiest eyeshadow ever. So I highly recommend something like this in your bag. So since we're not going for a very full coverage kind of a look, but sometimes you really need to cover your dark circles and those pimples and acne and all of that. So for that I'm recommending this LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. So the best thing about these concealers are they are full coverage concealers. You can find your shade easily and they're cheap. So I highly recommend to keep this handy. Even if you're wearing foundation or not, you can only use this on the areas jahan pe aapko concealing required hai, and that's it, you're good to go. Alright, so the next thing is a kajal. Now kajal is essential. You never step out of the house without a kajal. And the brand that I recommend is Streetwear. This is the most underrated kajal ever. This is smudge proof, waterproof, and for the price that it sells, it's like. So the next thing is mascara. Now you cannot skip mascara. Trust me, wear an eyeliner, wear mascara, and that's it. You're good to go. Do not wear anything else on your face. That is okay. But please don't skip mascara, please. So we're almost done, and the last thing that we need in our makeup kit is a lipstick. A good lipstick that you can wear on a regular basis, and a good nude lipstick is a must in your kit. Something that does not look too overdone or like too under. And for that I'm recommending this lipstick by NYX. I'm recommending this lipstick by NYX. It is a soft matte lipstick in the shade Abu Dhabi. I know that in college we need to fit everything in a budget, but it's also important that आप अपने skin का भी ध्यान रखें. इस college में you tend to break out more on your face, and that is the age जहाँ पे आपकी skin ज़्यादा react करती है to the products that you use. So all these things you might not be able to buy at one go. Keep saving money so that you can buy one thing at a time and you can build your makeup kit. Because मैं कभी recommend नहीं करूँगी कि you buy a 20 rupee lipstick or you buy a 100 rupee CC cream. It's better if you spend some money on good quality products rather than spending money on doctors later for your acne. So now that we have our kit ready, let's start with the makeup. So सबसे पहले you want to make sure, since you're in college, this is the age when you tend to break out the most. So you want to make sure that your skincare routine is really thorough. Every 15 days you should scrub your face. You should moisturize every day. And if you guys are interested, I can also make a separate skincare video for different skin types. So let's begin. So since this is a college look, I'm going to use a sunscreen. This is the Lotus Matte Gel Sunscreen SPF 50. Like, I cross my heart, this one really works. If you have an oily skin, this one will work for you because this is a gel formula and it prevents your skin from getting too oily during the day. Now that we're done with our base, this is like a moisture cum primer sort of thing that I did. I'll use my Lakme CC cream as my base today. So I think they have two shades in this one. The one that I'm using is in the shade beige. Also this one has an SPF 30. In case if you want to skip your primer, in case if you want to skip your sunscreen, totally up to you. So you can see my face looks really very natural. There's not much of a coverage in this CC cream, but I look a little bit more awake, like my face has brightened a little. We can see the CC cream is not very successful in covering my dark circles. So to cover my dark circles and a few acne spots that I have on my face, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. Now this is the cheapest and the best full coverage concealer that you will find in the market, trust me. Okay, so next I'm using the Savannah Bronze palette and I'm using the blush and the highlighter, considering that you will not go too heavy on your bronzer. It is completely optional, but when in college, so I know you will not bronze your skin on an everyday basis. And since your base is not too thick, you do not want to overdo your blush. Using the Savannah Bronze palette again for my eyeshadow, but this is just for those occasions where you want to wear some eyeshadow but not overdo it. So I'll tell you how to do it. And I'm using this matte brown color to define my crease. So next I'm using this highlighter color on my brow bone and on the inner corners of my eyes. So my eyeshadow is done. This is the easiest eyeshadow for any beginner. It's like literally just two colors. Next I'm using this streetwear kajal. You could use the Maybelline Colossal Kajal or the extra dark kajal as well. Next I'm going in with my Maybelline mascara. I've seen a lot of big makeup artists use Maybelline mascaras on their clients. So you could use any Maybelline mascara. I'm using the False Volume Express, and the Lash Sensational is also my favorite, but for now I'm using this False Volume Express. This is the waterproof one. And for lips today I'm using this NYX Soft Matte Lipstick in the shade Abu Dhabi. So that is it. This is how I did my makeup when I was in college. I used to do a lot of full coverage makeup when I used to go out for parties like my fresher party and farewell parties and comedy parties, etc, etc. This is more of an everyday kind of a look. I want to wish you guys all the very best for a new start in your life, and college days are the best days ever. Let things come to you, just breathe, enjoy, and just have fun. That is what college life is all about. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to like my videos. So that is it from my side for now. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!